Amoxicillin is a widely prescribed antibiotic used to treat a variety of bacterial infections, including respiratory infections, urinary tract infections, and skin infections. It belongs to a class of drugs known as penicillin antibiotics, and it works by inhibiting the growth of bacteria, thereby preventing the spread of the infection. While amoxicillin is effective in treating infections, it may cause a range of side effects, from mild to severe. The following side effects are relatively common and may occur as your body adjusts to the medication. 1. Nausea. Mild nausea or stomach upset, especially after taking a dose. 2. Diarrhea. Loose stools or more frequent bowel movements. 3. Rash. A mild skin rash may develop, which can occur in some individuals. 4. Headache. Mild to moderate headaches may occur during treatment. 5. Abdominal pain. Some individuals experience general stomach discomfort or pain. 6. Vomiting. In some cases, nausea may progress to vomiting. If they persist or worsen, consult your healthcare provider. These side effects are usually temporary and may resolve as your body adjusts to the medication. If they persist or worsen, consult your healthcare provider. Though uncommon, amoxicillin may cause serious side effects that require immediate medical attention. 1. Severe allergic reactions. Symptoms such as rash, swelling, especially of the face, lips, tongue, or throat. Difficulty breathing or severe dizziness may indicate an allergic reaction, which can be life-threatening. 2. Clostridium, difficile infection. Prolonged use of antibiotics, like amoxicillin, can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the intestines, leading to an overgrowth of Clostridium difficile. This can cause severe diarrhea and gastrointestinal discomfort. 3. Liver problems. Though rare, amoxicillin can affect liver function, leading to symptoms such as yellowing of the skin or eyes, jaundice, dark urine, or unusual fatigue. 4. Severe skin reactions. Symptoms such as blistering, peeling, or red, painful skin may indicate a severe reaction to the medication. 5. Kidney problems. In rare cases, amoxicillin can affect kidney function, causing reduced urine output or swelling. Amoxicillin is a highly effective antibiotic, but like all medications, it can cause side effects. It is generally well tolerated by most individuals, but if you experience any unusual or severe symptoms, contact your healthcare provider immediately. Always take the medication as prescribed and discuss any concerns or side effects with your doctor.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to make sure you stay up to date on my videos.